Good morning, guys. How are you? Today I'm going to build a magnolia wreath using real magnolia leaves. My neighbor has a magnolia tree and he was going to trim it because it was kind of hovering over his fifth wheel, and I asked if I could have the trimmings. So he brought over a huge bag of stems and leaves, and I rinsed them all and let them air dry for a couple of days. And I thought about Mod Podging in each individual leaf, but I thought that would take a long time. So I'm going to use a spray sealer for it when I'm done building the whole thing. I have 20 gauge wire in case I need to wrap it for strength. This is a grapevine wreath, and I want to say it's maybe, I'm going to get the dimensions wrong, maybe 30 inches. If it's not 30, I'll make sure I post the right size down below. I'm using a hot glue gun, and please don't judge my gun. I think I bought this back in 1988 when my mom and I were taking wreath making classes at Linda's Lace Place in Ventura. They had showed us how to use preserved greens and flowers, and this is old, but it still works. And so this is what I'm going to use. This is just all the supplies I need, and it shouldn't take me too long to get it. I'm going to build the wreath from the outside in, and then when I'm done, I'll spray it, and it should be good to go. What do you think? I really like how it turned out. Not bad for my first time. What I did after gluing in all the leaves is I took my blow dryer and I lightly went over it, getting rid of those loose hot glue strands that seem to travel with you and you can never seem to get rid of. Then I sprayed it with the sealer. I think I'm going to let it dry overnight. It's pretty much dry, but I'm going to let it dry completely overnight. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a really great week. We'll see you soon. Bye.